Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best soldering iron. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. YIHUA 926360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. Meet the YIHUA 926360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit, a complete soldering solution designed for electronics repair, DIY projects, and precision work. Priced at around $39.99, this kit offers excellent value because you're not just getting a soldering station, you're getting a full Starter Plus Pro Tool Bundle for electronics work. 60W adjustable heating power for stable and fast heating. LED digital display with clear temperature control. Degree C/degree F switching for global usability. Auto sleep function to extend tip life and save energy. 6 extra soldering tips for different types of precision work. 2 helping hands for holding components securely. Include solder sucker plus stainless steel tweezers plus lead-free solder roll. Calibration support for accurate temperature control. Compact station design, ideal for small workspaces. Pros. Very affordable full kit for beginners and hobbyists. Stable temperature control for detailed electronics work. Tons of accessories included in the box. Easy to use, beginner-friendly setup. Cons. 60W may feel limited for heavy-duty industrial soldering. Build quality is good but not premium grade. Stock tips may wear faster with frequent use. Number 4. YIHUA 1010 NA 70W Digital Soldering Station. Introducing the YIHUA 1010 NA 70W Digital Soldering Station, a professional-grade soldering system built for precision, reliability, and long-term electronics work. Priced around $129.83, this is a premium-level soldering station. You're paying more, but you get pro-grade accuracy, durability, and consistent performance that cheaper kits can't match. 70W high-performance heating system for fast recovery and stable heat. Advanced digital temperature control for precise soldering work. Sleep and autosave features to extend tip life and improve safety. Ergonomic YIHUA iron designed for comfortable long sessions. Wide temperature range suitable for delicate electronics to heavier tasks. ESD-safe design helps protect sensitive electronic components. Easy tip replacement system for flexible use across projects. Built by YIHUA, a trusted brand in professional soldering tools. Pros. Extremely accurate and stable temperature control. High build quality, designed for professional use. Fast heat up and strong thermal recovery. Long-lasting tips and station durability. Excellent for PCB repair, electronics labs, and advanced DIY. Cons. More expensive than beginner soldering kits. No large accessory bundle included. Slight overkill for casual or light hobby use. Number 3. YIHUA 926360W Digital Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. Introducing the YIHUA 926360W Digital Display Soldering Iron Station Kit, an all-in-one soldering set built for beginners, hobbyists, and DIY electronics repair. At just $39.99, this is a budget-friendly complete kit. You're not only getting a soldering station, but a full toolbox for basic electronics repair right out of the box. 60W adjustable heating power for stable everyday soldering. Digital LED display for clear temperature control. Degree C/degree F switching for flexible use worldwide. Auto sleep mode to protect the tip and save energy. 6 extra soldering tips for different precision tasks. 2 helping hands to hold components securely. Include solder sucker plus stainless steel tweezers plus lead-free solder. Calibration support for better temperature accuracy. Compact and lightweight design, easy for small workspaces. Pros. Very affordable full starter kit. Great for beginners and home electronics repair. Comes with many useful accessories included. Easy temperature control and simple operation. Cons. Not ideal for heavy or professional daily use. Build quality is decent but not premium. Tips may wear faster under frequent high heat use. Number 2. Liouhoum 80W LCD Digital Soldering Iron Kit. Introducing the Liouhoum 80W Fast Heat Soldering Iron Kit, a super budget-friendly soldering tool designed for beginners, basic electronics repair, and DIY household fixes. At only $9.98, this is an ultra-low-cost soldering kit. It's basically an entry-level tool that gives you basic soldering functionality at the price of a simple accessory. 80W high power output for faster heating performance. Fast heat up, around 10 seconds, for quick start work. LCD digital temperature display for basic control and monitoring. Adjustable temperature settings for different soldering needs. Designed for electronic repair, learning, and DIY projects. Portable lightweight design, easy to carry and store. Suitable for home toolbox and beginner training use. Pros. Extremely cheap and accessible for beginners. Heats up quickly for small repair jobs. Simple digital controls for easy use. Good for learning basic soldering skills. Cons. Not reliable for professional or long-term heavy use. Build quality is basic due to very low price. Temperature accuracy may not be very precise. Durability can be limited over time. Number 1. YIHUA 926-360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. Introducing the YIHUA 926-360W LED Display Soldering Iron Station Kit, an all-in-one soldering solution for electronics repair, DIY projects, and beginners to pros. At just $39.99, this kit delivers serious value. You get a full soldering station plus multiple accessories, making it a complete ready-to-use electronics repair setup. 60W fast and stable heating performance. LED digital display for precise temperature control. Degree C/degree F switching support. Auto sleep mode to extend tip life and save power. 6 extra soldering tips for different repair tasks. 2 helping hands for hands-free component holding. Include solder sucker plus stainless steel tweezers plus lead-free solder roll. Calibration support for better accuracy. Compact workstation design, perfect for home or small bench setups. Pros. Excellent value full starter plus intermediate kit. Very beginner-friendly with all tools included. Stable temperature control for most electronics work. Great for DIY, repair, and learning projects. Cons. Not ideal for heavy industrial-level soldering. Build quality is good but not premium grade. Tips may require replacement with heavy use. If you're looking for a complete soldering kit at a budget price, check the link in the description below for today's deal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tool reviews and tech breakdowns.